Want to talk to your son?
Yes, of course I do.
And Daddy? Dad?
Sean. Oh, son.
I want to listen.
That's enough. No, put him back on. I want to talk to him.
You just did.
No. You listen. Real good. You got one more chance to pay up.
Well, you're never going to talk to him again. No more around. This is it, right now. What's it going to be?
No. You're not gonna touch him. You can't be that stupid. Do you have any idea the rain of shit I can put on you? Look at your wife.
Look at her face. Do you know what I can do to your boy?
Is it dark where you're calling from? You got the shades drawn? Kind of like a cellar, right? Like a cave? Well, you better get used to that. You better get used to crawling in the dark for the rest of your days, because I am gonna get the best group of manhunters in this country, and I am gonna dedicate my life to tracking you down.
Hey, get your head out of your ass! You think you can threaten me, huh? Who do you think you're dealing with? Give me the money!
You and your 2 million. Don't you understand English, you useless piece of shit? No money, none!
Let me tell you something. You think you're suffering right now? Huh? You got no idea what suffering is. If I don't get the cash, in 1 hour, this kid is dead!
I don't get my son back, and I mean real soon. You better kill yourself. Because when I catch up with you, I'm gonna take my time. By the time we're finished, you're gonna wish you weren't born! I'll have your head on a pike, you understand me?
I'll kill him right now!
I want to talk.
You kill him, you kill yourself, you mother... Give me back my son!
Hello.
You want him?
Yes!
You want him?
Daddy!
Oh, Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Oh, oh, God! Oh, God!
I'll kill you, Mullen!
Son of a... Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh,
Easy.
Hey!